Hi, today we're going to take an unboxing review at CYLO, I guess that's how you say it. Weatherproof IPX7 fully submergible micro to USB cable 5 foot in length. Okay, they're saying that I could take this USB cable and put it underwater. I don't know anyone who's going to be scuba diving with their iPhones or Android or Galaxies. I mean, with that, you want to take, like, a GoPro or a GoPro Hero, whatever series on now. 6, 7. By now, they're probably on 6 or 7. And then, you buy that extra housing that you put it into, made for, going on water, because, it's GoPro. They have all different types of lids and housings for this. Put on your head for helmets, chest lids, bikes and motorcycles, you know, selfie stick ones, underwater scuba diving. But apparently they say, hey, if your phone's dying when it's underwater, you could just put a cable in it. But if my phone's dying when it's underwater, I think we know what the problem is. I put my phone in the water. That's the problem. But apparently they're saying, hey, it works underwater. Does my phone work underwater? Nope. But that's what they're saying here. So this says Android compatible with most Android devices, waterproof and dustproof. Dustproof, yes. Waterproof, maybe. But they're saying fully submergible. Let's see if we can get that. Right there. Fully submergible. Like, it's electricity. Come on. Like, for real. I can understand if it just said waterproof, you could call out on the rain, something like that. Maybe not a heavy rainstorm, but a couple drops here and there. Okay, waterproof. Dustproof, yeah, obviously dustproof. Because of the little chaos, but fully submergible? No, I'm going to say someone is a fully moron idiot. But that's what it says right there, too. Fully submergible. Mm-hmm. Waterproof, understand. And dustproof, definitely. USB 2.0 to micro USB cable. Simple to use and great for travel. Plug in and connect charge sync to Android phones, tablets, and more. Well, so it says airtight closure. I don't really believe that it's completely airtight. Rubber cable. Okay, yeah. Triple coated overmolding. Yeah, not exactly sure what the triple coated overmolding is. Flexible cable and molding. The only thing that they didn't tell you is it comes with a little zip tie thing. So it's 5 feet, which will travel at 480 megabytes per second for doing data, and it's running a 2.0 high speed, cable. It says lifetime limited warranty on there. You can go to their website, link down below in the description there. So, yeah, let's get this open up and tell that. This, I believe, was about 10, I want to say, over at Menards. So, just simple cable right here. And looking at it, this is our zip tie right there. Which is kind of weird because you see right back here, they have one of those Velcro zip ties that's holding the cable together. And what we get is just a standard wire, bendable, flexible wire with, some plastic on it. This is our zip tie, and this is what their zip tie looks like. Yeah, someone's very misleading in the picture here. But it is a plastic coated thing. I mean, this doesn't even feel real. The material that they use, it feels more like a plastic cable on a toy or something. I mean, like, at least with this plastic, you could feel, hey, there's an actual wire in here, or a couple wires. This one, it feels kind of like somewhat of a hollow tube. It almost feels like spaghetti before, you cooked it. Like those noodles, they're like the little round ones, like the tube ones. That's what those feels like. So, you do have this cap, which does go all the way down. You have it on both sides here. Like that, so that's kind of good. This one you got a wiggle back and forth on the USB port. And when it connects to your phone, really easy to take it off. So let's put it in. That connects there, like that. And well, it seems like it's doing its job because put it on the power bank. It's running through there. It's saying my device is powering up, so it works. Definitely works. I just don't like how they're very misleading and stuff. Where they're like, "Hey, it's fully submerged." Well, why would you submerge this underwater? I can understand like if you're into like extreme, sports, not really sports, but outdoorsy, where you're going hiking, fishing, something like that. Maybe hunting, where it's like, okay, you might get caught in the rainstorm. You might tip your boat over, where the cable's gonna get wet and fully submerged like that. But I mean, I don't think anyone with a right mind would take this into the bathroom and be like, oh, you know what? I could leave this sitting on, the edge of the bathtub. I could have this in my hand while I'm relaxing in the bathtub and have the cord just fully submerged underwater. If you're going to do that, do the right thing. Get a toaster. Put a toaster in. Go and, grab a microwave that's plugged in. Obviously, I'm joking here. But you get the point that I'm saying. Don't be a stupid. Don't be an idiot. Even though they say it's submersible. Why? It's electronic, Especially if you have hooked to a power source on your phone. Two things of data that's electronic that's, going to cause a short circuit. Plus it's in water. Hello, water conducts electricity. So just because this thing is, the cable's waterproof and rubberized, doesn't mean you're rubberized and, anti-shock proof. You'll be going like the electric chair. You know what I'm talking about? Right there? Yeah. So just be smart. Don't put this in water. The only thing that I can think of when they're saying fully submerged is like, you're fishing, you get a little drunk, you may fight with someone on the boat. The boat floats and gets tipped over. Submersible. That's the only thing that I could be thinking of. But, yep. Other than that, I mean, it seems to be great with the dust-proof covers and stuff. Don't know how long the cable's going to last. Is it going to fray? Or have any wires exposed? Or how long it's actually going to last, Because in my house, my family, they don't know how to take care of cables. They could buy, a $30 cable, and they could buy a $1 cable from the dollar store. In 2 days, the cable don't work. It's not powering on my phone. Well, let me guess. Instead, just gently, take it in, line it up, and put it in, like that. Now, here's them. They're like, it don't go in. But let's see. Connections can only go one way. So if it's not going that way, how about turning it so that it could go in the other way? And then instead, gently pulling out like this, like that. No, they're like, just pull it out. I'm like, you're not trying to start a gas-powered lawnmower here, people. But no, they jerked it out, they pull it out, they try to push it in, they're like, I want it to go in my way. Well, the way you want it to go in and the way how it's supposed to go in from the manufacturer are two different directions, If it's not going in this way, turn it. It'll go in. It's like, you know, that little block thing. You know those little building blocks where you try to put like the circle and the circle and the triangle? You know what I'm talking about. Well, it's kind of like that with my family. But they're trying to get a circle in a square. They're trying to get the square in a star shape. It ain't gonna work. A star goes in a star shape, a circle goes in a circle shape, a triangle goes in a triangle shape, and so on and so forth. I tell you, my family, they don't know how to do data cables. They just shove them in, pull them out. Like I said, we could buy like $1 one from the dollar store. It only lasts them 2 days. We could buy a $30 one that's, you know, name brand one. It will only last them 2 days. With myself, I could buy one from the dollar store. Last me a year or more. I could buy a $40 one, $40 one. Again, it could last me a year or more. Because, you know, I'm gentle, I know. Hey, if it's not going that way, turn the phone or turn the cable. There's only one way for it to go in. Like the shapes in that little square block thing, you know? You gotta learn your shapes. But yeah. So hopefully maybe this cable hold to my family. I don't know. I know for myself it should. So yeah. That has been the unboxing review of CYLO. I guess that's how you say it. CYLO. Never actually heard of this company before. But it's like, oh man, hey, it's like waterproof, dustproof, you know, rubberized coated charging cable. Maybe it's a blessing for my family since they don't know how to do data cables. But anyway, links down below in the description. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, the like button, the subscribe button, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.